I did a couple of tests, one in the morning and one in the evening. Both times, my lashes stayed defined and full, but I did notice that the longer you wait to apply additional coats, the harder it is to layer without it getting a little clumpy. The formula is also a dream for anyone who hates the removal process. It washes off easily without causing any tugging or irritation, and I didn't experience any lash breakage either. It's definitely a gentle formula, especially compared to some of the other waterproof mascaras I've tried. Pros? Well, first off, it's perfect for sensitive eyes. No irritation, no flaking, and no smudging. Just full, beautiful lashes that last. The unique wand is great for building volume and length, and it doesn't weigh down the lashes, which is a huge win in my book. Plus, it's eco-conscious, with packaging made from 78% post-consumer recycled plastic, which feels like a step in the right direction for sustainable beauty. On the flip side, one downside is that you do need to apply extra coats while the mascara is still wet for maximum drama. If you wait too long between layers, it's hard to build without clumping, which may be a deal breaker for some. Additionally, though the formula is buildable, if you're someone who loves super intense volume in just 1 or 2 coats, this mascara might not be your best match. Value for money is something I've been considering as well. While this mascara isn't the cheapest on the market, the combination of its high-quality formula, gentle ingredients, and sustainable packaging make it feel worth the investment, especially for those with sensitive eyes or those looking for a clean beauty option. The buildable formula gives you flexibility, and the longevity of the wear makes it a solid choice for everyday use. Comparing it to similar mascaras, the Tower 28 mascara stands out with its gentle formula and commitment to sustainable packaging. While there are other volume-building mascaras out there, many of them don't offer the same level of comfort or long-lasting wear without the smudging and irritation. For anyone looking for a clean, eco-conscious alternative, this mascara is a great option. As for customer support, Tower 28 is known for being responsive and supportive when it comes to addressing any issues with their products. They have a solid reputation for customer service, which adds an extra layer of confidence when purchasing from them. Now, if this mascara isn't quite in your budget, there are alternatives that still deliver on the volume and definition. One that comes to mind is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, which offers similar results for a more affordable price point, though it doesn't have the same eco-friendly packaging or the clean ingredient list. To sum it all up, Tower 28 Mascara is an excellent choice for those looking for a buildable, sensitive, eye-friendly mascara that's eco-conscious and delivers on its promises of volume and length. It's a great match for anyone looking to enhance their lashes without the hassle of clumping or smudging. If you're looking for a mascara that works well day to day, but also gives you the option for some extra drama, this one might just be your new go-to. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in picking up this mascara, you'll find the link in the description or comments. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.